Hi, my name is Susan. Nice to meet you. I want to present you the review of a coffee maker for home and office that I think is exceptional. On this occasion, I want to present you the Nespresso Vertuo Pop. Yes, Nespresso, belonging to the great Swiss brand Nestlé. The Nespresso Vertuo Pop appliance belongs to the Nespresso line that utilizes Vertuo line capsules. It provides a selection of 4-cup volumes. Espresso, 40 milliliters. Double espresso, 80 milliliters. Grand lungo, 150 milliliters. Mug size coffee, 230 milliliters. While the machine doesn't include a milk frother, users have the option to acquire a separate frother such as the Arancino. The water reservoir has a capacity of 600 milliliters, facilitating the preparation of several mug-sized coffees. Compatibility and capsules. The Vertuo Pop machine exclusively works with Nespresso branded capsules due to patent restrictions. Some regions may offer Starbucks branded capsules compatible with this machine. Dimensions. When closed, the machine measures 14 centimeters, 5.3 inches, in width and 25 centimeters, 10 inches, in height. When open, it extends to a height of 38 centimeters, 15 inches. The depth is 43 centimeters, 17 inches. Used capsule holder. The machine features a used capsule holder on its side, accommodating around 4 to 6 capsules based on their size. A container underneath allows moisture to escape, preventing odor or mold accumulation on used capsules. Color options. The Vertuo Pop machine is available in various colors, including licorice black, mango yellow, coconut white, Pacific blue, spicy red, and aqua mint. Limited edition color options are periodically released. Making espresso shots. Plastic mechanisms secure the capsules in the machine. Each capsule contains a barcode determining the coffee amount. The foam produced differs from standard espresso foam. The machine heats up in approximately 30 seconds and operates with a single touch. Brewing different cup sizes. The double espresso size suits cappuccinos or lattes when paired with milk froth. The Grand Lungo capsule, 150 milliliters, can be combined with milk for a latte-like beverage. The Vertuo machines excel in producing unique foam on top of mug-sized coffees, 230 milliliters, compared to original line machines. Limitations. The Vertuo Pop machine doesn't support carafe-style coffee or pour-over brewing methods. It offers specific cup sizes mentioned earlier and doesn't accommodate alto capsules. Review of the Vertuo Pop machine. Appearance and crema quality. Despite initial concerns about its appearance, the Vertuo Pop machine has an appealing look. The crema it produces is preferred over that of the Vertuo Next. Although personal preference leans toward original line coffee, the compact design of the Vertuo Pop is attractive. Compatibility and variety. A drawback is the inability to purchase compatible pods for this machine. However, the variety of colors available is appreciated, allowing users to find a suitable match for their kitchen decor. Price and personal opinion. Purchased at half price, £50 or $63, the machine garnered a positive opinion. Speculation arises that a higher price may alter the perspective. For those seeking an economical way to explore Vertuo coffee with a machine that complements their kitchen, the Vertuo Pop is a viable option. Heat up time and temperature. The 30-second heat up time is acceptable, although some may prefer a shorter duration. Initial espressos might not be hot enough, but they tend to get hotter with continuous use throughout the day. Mug-sized coffees can become very hot due to longer running times and larger quantities of coffee. Conclusion. In conclusion, larger capsules result in hotter coffee. The full review of the Nespresso Vertuo Pop machine aims to provide viewers with an insightful perspective. If you want to know more details about the Nespresso Vertuo Pop, access the description of this video. Yes, down here. Comments, of course, are welcome. Delighted to greet you.